This is how much money I have made mining helium in the bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and now let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, 4 months ago, I ended up receiving my helium miners. I unboxed them and instantly started mining helium. I even ordered 2 new antennas so I can increase my earnings. As of right now, I have 2 helium miners at 2 different locations. They also have 8 dBi antennas, which I ordered off of Amazon. And they have been mining helium for 4 months. I definitely did not expect to earn millions of dollars with these miners, but I was hoping for a decent amount every single month. But I gotta be honest, I am a little bit disappointed. And now let's go inside of my Helium app so I can show you exactly how much money I made. Now we are inside of the app. When we click the link on the bottom, it will take us to the page that shows us our earnings. As you can see, every single day I am making some money. Literally pennies every single day. So over the last 4 months, I only made $37 and some change. That is with 2 helium miners and with 2 improved antennas. When we break it down, that is less than $10 a month. So each miner is earning me less than $5 every single month. So far, I have mined over 20 HNT tokens. Since I started mining helium, I haven't withdrawn or sold any helium tokens, so I have literally cashed out 0 so far. Being honest, I do not plan on cashing out anytime soon. I do not care if it takes 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, I will not be selling any helium tokens. This thing is either going to go to 0 or it is going to make a big comeback in the bull run. And that is what I'm betting on, so I will not be selling any of my HNT tokens. And when we go on CoinMarketCap and we check out helium, you will see the current price is at $1.62, down big time from its all-time highs in the last bull run, where it went over $50 per coin. Right now, the market cap is just 219 million. When we scroll down to look at the chart, you will see today it is down just over 3%. Over the last 7 days, it is down as well. 1 month chart, more red. 3 months chart, even more red. It went from $5.50 to $1.62. And when we take a look at the 1 year chart, it looks like a meme coin. It went from $41 and some change down to $1.62. But when we take a look at the all-time chart, you will see it started out real cheap, and in the bull run it went over $52. Now it is down big time. Will helium make a big comeback in the next bull run? Who knows? There's a lot of people that believe in helium big time, and they believe it will go to $10 to $50 and possibly even $100. And then there's other people that believe helium is completely dead and it is going to 0. Let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on helium? Are you mining it? Do you own any? Do you believe it will go to 0? Do you believe it will make a comeback? Let me know in the comment section. Overall, I am a little bit disappointed, but what can you expect? We are in a very bad bear market and all the other coins are heading lower as well. The good thing about these miners is that they waste almost no electricity whatsoever compared to mining Bitcoin or back then mining Ethereum or Cardano or any other coin that requires GPUs. So you can literally set it and forget it. Also, I started mining helium at the worst possible time, in the middle of the bear market, right after it went from like 20 cents to $50 and then right back down. That is all I have for you guys in this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update to show you how my helium miners are performing. So if you are trying to mine helium in the bear market, this is the type of results you can expect, and maybe even lower as helium trends even lower. So that is exactly what you can expect. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.